Tonight, some positive news for a homeless Jupiter High School student who had a run-in with the law after taking a pellet gun to school.
Charges against him have been dropped. WPTV's Chris Gilmore live now with how the 19-year-old is looking toward the future and breaking stereotypes. Chris?
Yes, good afternoon. We met up with Drew Yard here at Juno Beach earlier today. He tells us he's real excited about this document. It's a copy of his no file in his criminal felony case.
I've been surviving on the streets, and then when I had it, it was just for my protection.
Protection from a world homeless teen, Drew Yard says only a few understand.
Just had it for protection. That was what he needed. I understand that feeling because I was homeless myself.
Yard was arrested for bringing a pellet gun to Jupiter High School and charged with a felony for possession of a weapon on school property. After a week in jail and several court dates, Yard's attorneys were able to get the case dismissed.
This morning, he sent me on his email, he sent me a picture of the text message saying, "Oh, there's no more court, you're free." I was like, hell yeah. I was like, yes. I was like, you're free, thank God.
Now Yard is working on himself and helping people better understand what it's like to be homeless.
Couch surfing. I mean, like, basically that's what I do all the time. So until I get my, I just got my job back, so when I get enough money, I can get my own apartment. So.
In the meantime, Drew says changing his life is easier than changing people's perceptions.
Look at you because you brought a pellet gun to school, they think you're a criminal, but not all people are criminals, so that's what people need to learn. Adam Farkas and the rest of Drew Yard's legal team argued that because Drew had the pellet gun in his backpack and wasn't pointing it at anyone in a threatening manner, that it shouldn't be considered a dangerous and deadly weapon. Reporting live from West Palm Beach, Juno Beach, Chris Gilmore, WPTV News Channel 5.